Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect a branch in GitHub. To protect a branch in GitHub, navigate to the repository and click the Settings tab. On the left menu, select Branches. Under Branch Protection Rules, click Add Rule. Type the name of the rule set for the branches you want to protect. You can check over the bypass list here and checking any of the lists that GitHub provides. It really depends on how secure you want this protection to be. And just below it would be the target branches. In the dropdown, it can highlight the default branch or even all of the branches that are present inside the repository. Or you can base it off of patterns. You can then turn on protections like requiring pull requests before merging, restrict updates, require signed commits, and many more. Adjust the settings based on how strict you want your workflow to be. Once configured, click Create. Now your selected branches are being protected, and users will need to follow the rules you set before making the changes, helping keep your main branch stable and secure. And that's how to protect a branch in GitHub.